In this video, I will show you how to remove liked video from your liked playlist of your YouTube short video on your Android or iPhone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your YouTube app. The next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon. Proceed to your playlist. Then go ahead and click on your playlist like profile. Proceed to shorts. Then you have all the YouTube shorts that you have liked so far. How can you remove or unlike any of the shorts you have been liked before? All you have to do, for instance, this one right here, if I'm going to unlike this one right here, I'm going to click on these three dots right here to remove the like, and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on remove from like video. So go ahead and click on remove from like video, just like so. Remove from like video. You can remove as many as possible YouTube shorts video from the like video. If I scroll down right here, I want to remove another one like this one right here. I can go ahead and click on remove from like video. So I have about two. I can remove this one also, remove from like video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.